Hello, crafters. Today we're going to be creating a kit and I am working on expressions of kindness. I have got to tell you, friends, this is an absolute must kit. I didn't jump on right away. There was an obsession where everybody was making this kit. This kit sold out a few times, but I finally did pick it up and I have to tell you, it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is item number 163905. It's $23. It makes 8 cards, 2 different designs. So here is one of the cards. Okay, gorgeous. Look at, there's gold foil in the card base. This is the card base. Look at that printed card base. Gorgeous. Okay, see that detail in the flower? We stamped that. Okay, we get a little Blackberry Bliss Stampin' spot, and I'm glad because I used it. I don't have this big stamp pad. Okay, we also get these beautiful gold glitter gems. All right, look at, okay, one thing I'm going to tell you I absolutely love. Let me show you the stamp set. So this is the stamp set. Here's the, you get a little paper with the stamp set so it actually shows you everything. Kindly deliver to. Okay, to me, I only want that stamp. This little stamp makes this entire kit because I'm going to show you what you do on the envelope, but I love it. I'm going to use it all the time. Love this. There's that little for the flower, but that's a great background element. All right, so that's the stamp set you get. It's small, right? But it is usable for other projects. Love this stamp set. Okay, and kindly deliver to. Look, first of all, these envelopes are gorgeous. Printed envelopes. Look at these, high quality, thick. But look, you just stamp kindly deliver to, and then you can either handwrite or put your stamp for the address. But I love that. Okay, so this is the one envelope base. Here's the other envelope base. Again, beautiful design. And look, I already stamped them. Kindly deliver to. And then here is the second card. It looks like it's watercolor, but this is on the card base. So we stamped those flowers, a few die cuts. So pretty. Okay, so we are going to put this card kit together. I am going to have to follow the directions today just because it's been a few days since I put all the sample cards together. Let me just get set up. All right, so where is card 1? Here we go. Okay, and I got all my bits ready to go. We're going to make one of each card. Okay, so let me turn all this around. Here's our one card base. Look at how beautiful this is. So pretty. Look at that foil. There's one card. Okay, here's the second. Where's my pieces? Here they go. Here they go. All right, let me just look at my card real quick. So I need this card base for card 1. I'm going to need this sentiment. Oh, and you get a whole entire spool of ribbon, an entire spool. You're not going to use the whole spool, but you get an entire spool. We need ribbon, we need gold. That's it, right? Okay, that's all we need for that. And this is for our second card. Okay. So let me just get all this out of the way. A moment. Okay, what a gorgeous kit. I'm telling you, I love it. I'm actually loving the Stampin' Up! Kits, to be honest with you, and I'm glad I'm doing this for everybody. You know, I'm purchasing the kits and I'm putting some of the cards together, and then I'm getting all the guesswork, taking all the guesswork out, and then I'm just going to come on and always put one together for you so you can just see how easy it is, and then you might want to go ahead and purchase it, and I'll give you my opinion. If I don't like something, I don't like something, right? And if I do, I do. I mean, I'm not going to lie about it. All right, so again, we're just going to fold our card base. So we're going to follow along with the directions. The directions are so easy peasy. They do not write anything. Let me just show you. So it's basically telling us, get our ink, put this on our ink block, and then it's showing the before. So this is what your card base looks like, right? It's showing you to stamp that right there, one on top of another. Then take this stamp and stamp inside those flowers. Okay, wherever one of those flower heads are. Right, then it's telling you to stamp your card, kindly deliver to, and then it's telling you do your sentiment and add the ribbon. This ribbon drove me crazy. I couldn't figure out how to do that, so I put my ribbon on. However, it stayed on. But, you know, if you're smarter than me, you just go ahead and do it, but it was driving me crazy. All right, so we're going to get our stamp, and we're going to get that great background stamp right there. So I know I need that, so I'm going to get that all on my block. I need this one. We're going to get that ready. And then we need kindly deliver to. Does that fit there? No, I need another. We're going to have to change share blocks because I don't feel like going to get other ones. Actually, hold on. This one. Yeah, that one can go there. And then we need the happiest of, wishing you the happiest of birthdays. That can go. Hold on, let me get another one. Okay, well, we're going to have to share. I don't know where my other long one is. All right, so Blackberry Bliss. And you absolutely can use these. I'm proof. I'm just going to take the top off. So you're just going to ink up. Make sure you're all inked up. Okay. Then I'm going to stamp. Like that. Ink up again. And you're going to just go right on top of it. Just like that. Okay, and then the middle, don't worry where you have a seam or anything because you're going to cover that up. I'm just going to swap this out. We're going to bring in our sentiment panel here. And we're going to stamp. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. We're going to get all our stamping out of the way. Cute. Okay, now we got to get our kindly deliver to. And we're going to stamp our envelope. I love this. I love, look at, watch how cute, right? Just the top of your envelope, kindly deliver to. I love that. And then you put your address. Where's my other envelope? Let me just do that now, since I have this stamp on here. They don't give you too much room to write on this envelope, but I love that stamp. If nothing, this is what I love out of this kit, and I didn't even realize it going in until I got to that step. I was like, what? Okay, what else do we have? Okay, now we're going to take, this is that top to the flower. You're going to take your card base, and we're going to do 1, 2, you can do a little bit there, 3, 4, right? I probably leave that one alone. We'll just do all around there. And all you do is just ink up this and watch. See? Okay, so there's before. Let's do an after. After. Okay, and now you got one on the edge there. So what I would do is open that. Just like that. Okay, do those 3. Let's close this up. I think that is all of our stamping. And now we're going to take that ribbon. We're going to take the ribbon. I'm going to take a piece of this. So it tells you, wish I had one of those little scissors. Oh, maybe I'm actually I'm gonna put, need like that to stay right there. Hold on, where's my, let me try something. I put a little bit of, okay, that's good. All right. So now it says to put your ribbon and your dimensional foam. See how I'm attaching that? Just like that. This was a pain in the butt, but I did it a few times and then it was okay. I did cut my ribbon a little shorter, but that's okay. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna this one, I'm making like a little tag going out this side. So I did this one a little different, but that's okay. Because here is, so see, I did this one with a bigger ribbon. Every one I did was a little different. This one was a little smaller. This one was much bigger. But I like it going to this side. Just a little tag. So, you know, each other's choice, you know, whichever you decide. But that's what I love about the kit. You can just change them up just a smidge. All right, so now we're going to add these glitter gems and a big one there. And then it shows that a little one here and another little one here. And then a big one down here, a small one. All right, so you would just duplicate this card 4 times. This is one of the cards in the set. Again, with that beautiful envelope. And next, we're gonna move on to our second card. All right, this is the one that looks like watercoloring. And for this card, we are gonna fold this in half. Again, thick, super thick card bases. All right, so we are gonna do our stamping. And the only thing we stamp, I did the envelope already. So we just need to stamp right there, just a note. We just need that one stamp, just a note. Okay, so now you get these die cuts. These are laser die cuts. There's this one is cardstock, and then you have this one in gold foil. Okay, so you're gonna layer these. They show you to use a glue dot and layer these kind of off-centered like that. Look at the stems. That's kind of what I judged by, is the stems, the placement of the stems. So they overlap just like that. So instead of using a little glue dot, I'm just gonna use, actually maybe I will use a glue dot. Where are my glue dots? Here they are. So I'm just gonna roll my glue dot because these are bigger ones. And I'm just gonna put it like right here because I know it lays over right there. going to make sure it lays over right there. Like make it lay over right there. No, it actually doesn't. Let's see. We're going to put it... Okay. Actually, we're going to put it right here on the back of the gold. And I rolled it. Good, and it's sticking right there. Perfect. And all you need is one. So just get one on there. That's all you need. See, it's together. All right, so now what we're gonna do is all that does is lay right here. How beautiful is that? So we wanna get some, I'll use some liquid glue and just put some glue behind here, my flowers. Such a very pretty set. And really, there's nothing to putting this set together. And really, you don't have to add or change up anything. These are gorgeous just the way they are, just with the simple design. I like to use my tweezers to act as like a third hand for me. And this just goes right in the middle, just like that. Okay, get that down. Now you're going to figure out how you want to do your ribbon again. This one, it's kind of telling you to do, hold on, where's the paper? Right there. Another one of those V's, like, I don't know. You just do you. As you can see, look, I did. Look at that. Tried to do a V there, and I did a V there. We'll try to do a V again. I'm going to cut off a bigger part now. Let's see how this works out. See, I think it's big enough and it's not. But look at all this ribbon that's left. We're going to just cut more. There we go. There we go. That's plenty. I'm determined to get a good one. Let's get a little tape to hold it in place. Okay, all right, wait. We're making some progress here. Hold on. Not bad. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to improvise with Scotch tape. That's what I should have did the whole time. A little bit of Scotch tape never hurt anybody. No, 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 it didn't. Look at that. Now we're going to angle off. Sweet. Now we're going to put some dimensionals on here. See that? Got to move it up just a smidge. Okay. All right. Sweet. All right. So there are our 4 cards, our envelopes. What a great kit. Don't forget, this is still available. This is a customer favorite. I doubt they're going to sell out anytime soon. And if they do, they will keep bringing it back. So again, Expressions. Wait, not Expressions. Yes, what is this? Expressions of Kindness kit. Such a beautiful kit. All right, if anyone has any questions, you know how to reach me. Take care now. Have a great day.